advances in progress, project success remains risky. Pessimist view, optimist view. Here mm, all projects 0, 23, 20, 45, 68, 90, 113. Success, success, challenged, challenged this color, failed. Okay, this is the pessimist view. Here, optimist view, low, iterative, agile, ad hoc, traditional. Here, successful, all are green. Challenged, failed. Okay, and feasibility. Determine if a project determine if a project should be attempted. Usually done once at the beginning of by senior trusted team members. Feasibility study is proposal does not uh, does not require prototyping, but often includes it. The decision maker is the audience. The person may not be sufficiently technical. In a large, this can be walk up multiple hierarchies. Budget process and staffing usually follow from a positive response to outcomes. Yeah, what goes into a feasibility study? Recommendation, recommendation, technology, economic, legal, operational, schedule. Uncertainty, uncertainty makes this very hard. Challenges, challenges, clients are unsure what they need at a useful level of detail. Benefits are hard to quantify. Impacts and recognize. Indeed, consequences is even harder to quantify. Approach approach often based on very tough cases. Organizational success may need change, assumptions may be faulty, mitigations. Experience can guide process. Experience can guide process, but the most experienced people may not be the most technical current. Social support and build interest for the project. Beware of irrationalism leads to unreasonable expectations. Senior executives rarely forget your promises. The boss view adopted from Bill Arms. The boss view adopted from Bill Arms' main line. Senior member of the client's organization decide whether to become the managers of the project. Client, who is project for, scope it is will defined. Where where are the dependencies and on whom? Benefits are the benefits real and quantifiable? Do I trust these numbers? Technical is the project possible resources. What are the estimates of the stock, time, equipment, etc.? What are the options if the project is not done? Additional considerations: do we Trusting this deep. Have we tried this before? Market maker, fast follower. Is this really worth investing in? Are there IPR issues, license dependencies, and can these organizations pull this off? Management capabilities, development capabilities, operation capabilities, sales capabilities. Scrum Institute, the ORG, Scrum Master, Product Owner, Sprint Coming Planning, Product Tracking, Backlog, Scrum Master, Scrum Team, Daily Scrum, Sprint, Ship, Eagle Productive, Continuous Improvement and Customization, Sprint, Sprint Review. Overview of the Scrum framework. Product owner, product owner, product backlog, sprint planning, master, scrum master, scrum team, sprint, daily scrum, predictable product improvement, continuous improvements, customization, sprint, retrospective. Yeah, the Scrum framework lightweight process. It focuses on increasing the productivity teams while reducing waste and the redundancy activities. Scrum is an iterative software engineering process develop, deliver software. Yeah, overview of the Scrum framework. Product owner, product backlog, Scrum master, sprint planning, sprint backlog, Scrum team, sprint, daily Scrum, shippable product improvement, sprint review, continuous improvement, customization, sprint retrospective. Overview of the schema, main components of Scrum framework, 3 Scrum goals, 5 Scrum events, Scrum rituals, or 7 sprints, sprint backlog, product backlog, Scrum backlog, or some sort of backlog. Self-organization and conditional collaboration are critical elements of the Scrum framework. Another central element with the Scrum framework is the continuous improvement that we enable with the inspect adapt. Here, here, inspect every project has unknown unknowns. Sometimes a few, sometimes a lot. Another cornerstone of the Scrum framework, the transparency and direct communication. Here, Scrum Master process another vital role in the Scrum framework as they work as servant leaders for and with the Scrum teams. The Scrum framework is in its pure from is best suitable for highly independent, one-team greenfield or brownfield projects. Where, where in Agile manifesto, where when the IT industry talks about the Scrum framework, also often we hear the term Agile Scrum along with the lines as Scrum. It leads some of us in the industry to think and they look for differences between the terms Agile Scrum and Scrum. Here is good news for you. Agile Scrum and Agile manifesto values individual and interactions power, process and tools. Working software over comprehensive documentation. Customer collaborations over contract negotiation. Responding to change over following plan. The elements favored by the Agile manifesto have been carefully time tested and chosen to and here self-organization. Self-organization in the Scrum framework is very disciplined. Here, that sprint backlog, sprint burn down chart, and daily Scrum meetings, which you are going to learn more about them later in this material. Build foundation of self-organization. Inspect that inspect and adopt. Companies have finally confirmed the say other project managers can have fully oversee of big picture computer system. They were unable to able to label end-to-end planning. It is evident for them that they needed to try something different. In this way, inspect and adapt. Step 1, inspect. Step 2, adapt. Step 3, plan. Step 4, restart. Step 5, then step 1. Yet, know the 4 steps described above show along, but not limited to the following Scrum methods. Scrum events. Step 1, inspect. Step 2, adapt. Step 3, learn. Step 4, restart. And here, yes, Scrum team should sooner or facilitate critical decisions that wouldn't make everyone happens in the particular ecosystem of stakeholders. They should remember to be courageous and they should master to decide and act courageously. Ideas of work prioritization. Okay. The question is, what are the most important things we should be doing at the moment to fulfill reasons of why an employer hired us in the first place? Some 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 of the built in ceramics Scrum events to prioritize our work and adjust our focus. Scrum proving backlog refinement meeting, sprint planning meeting, daily Scrum meeting, sprint